Hey everyone, welcome you all my channel, and today I am going to talk about a one internship summer research fellowship program, and it is for the UP students only. So ये जो रिसर्च फेलोशिप प्रोग्राम है जिसका नाम है CSTUP समर रिसर्च फेलोशिप प्रोग्राम 2024-25, ठीक है, यानी SRFP। ओके, तो बेसिकली ये काउंसिल ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी जो यूपी की है वो ऑफर कर रही है समर रिसर्च फेलोशिप उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो कि क्या है, ब्राइट स्टूडेंट है, फ्रॉम MSc फर्स्ट ईयर के हैं या फिर MSc सेकेंड ईयर के हैं, ठीक है। जो भी अच्छे साइंटिस्ट हैं उनके अंडर में उनको क्या करने को, वर्क करने को मिलेगा। सिलेक्टेड स्टूडेंट्स आर गिवन मंथली स्टाइपेंड ऑफ Rs 25,000 फॉर 2 मंथ, और 2 महीने के लिए क्या होगा, 25,000 रुपए भी दिया जाएगा, ठीक है। द फेलोशिप विल बी गिवन फॉर दोज स्टूडेंट्स हु आर स्टडिंग इन उत्तर प्रदेश ओनली। तो ये सिर्फ उन्हीं स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है जो कि उत्तर प्रदेश में पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं। अभी रिसर्च एरिया कौन कौन सा है, तो पहला है फिजिक्स में मैटरनल साइंस, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, एस्ट्रोनॉमी एक्सेट्रा, बॉटनी, बायोलॉजी, जूलॉजी, इन्वायरमेंटल साइंस एक्सेट्रा. In the chemistry also, in agriculture there is a plant biotechnology, horticulture, entomology, mathematics and statistics. So basically for us the field is biology and agriculture. In case of biology, the students who are studying botany, zoology, environmental science, and for the agriculture the students who are in plant pathology, horticulture and entomology, ठीक है। The CSTUP summer research fellowship to encourage MSc students studying basic science only. Okay, it is for those students who are studying basic science only. The fellowship will be not be granted for the student pursuing MSc in nursing, home science, computer science, information technology, anthropology, geography, food technology, biotechnology, forensic science, psychology, defense studies, food and nutrition, cyber security, nuclear medicine technology. So those who are not eligible for this program, it is also it is already given. So in case of life science, the student who are pursuing MSc nursing, home science, or like food technology or biotechnology, forensic science, they are not they are not eligible for this program. So the research opportunities in India, कहाँ पे work करने को मिलेगा, तो it includes Indian Institute of Technology, Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, which is IISER, CSIR Lab, ICAR Lab, Central University, and other premier institutes. Eligibility, the fellowship is offered for those students who in post graduation of MSc either first year or second year within the state of Uttar Pradesh, ठीक है। Fellowship is offered to regular students only, and the applicant must hold BSc or BS degree at the graduation level. Along with this, applicant must pass at least one examination out of 10 to 12th at a graduation from Uttar Pradesh. So they have at least either 10th or 12th or graduation from the Uttar Pradesh. If they don't have this degree from the Uttar Pradesh, they are not eligible. Okay, so the selection criteria includes the 25% of class 10th percentage obtained, 35% of class 12th, and 40% of the graduation percentage obtained किया जाएगा, total 80. तो 50% student will be selected from the UP board only. तो मतलब 50% जो है स्टूडेंट को जो सेलेक्ट किया जाएगा वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ UP बोर्ड के रहेंगे, और 50% जो रहेंगे वो अदर सेपरेट करेंगे। तो दो अलग अलग मेरिट जो है वो निकलेगी। और if the applicant is selected and provide consent letter emailed from professor scientists of the related institute organization shall be given preference in allotment of institute's organization for summer research training. So it means that sometime क्या होता है कि जो डायरेक्ट साइंटिस्ट या इंस्टीट्यूट से बात करके स्टूडेंट्स अगर वहाँ से एक कंसेंट लेटर या ईमेल अगर उनको मिल जाता है, तो अगर वो वहाँ पे अगर एप्लीकेंट के पास अगर वो रहेगा तो उनको प्रेफरेंस जो है वो दी जाएगी। The applications will be received online on a web portal. ये web portal है from 23/12/2020 through 31/0/2024, मतलब लास्ट जनवरी जो है वो लास्ट डेट है। There is no fee for applying in this program, कोई भी फी जो है नहीं है। So this is a very good summer research fellowship program, and the best part is that it is also giving monthly stipend of Rs 25,000, which is like for the student it is too much. So yeah, so for those students who are in zoology or botany or environmental sites, usually they have this problem that they don't get this type of internship easily, because the biotechnology or microbiology or biochemistry students get this opportunity earlier, because the fields are very broad on that term. But like in case of zoology or botany, they always have a question. So this is totally for those students like who are in biology, botany, environmental science, etc. Okay, so if you want, you can apply for that. Thank you.